Hey everybody, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from the Crypto.com app and ultimately send it to your bank account here in 2024. But what we're going to do is, first things first, we need to go over to our accounts and we need to select our fiat wallet. Now once our fiat wallet comes up, it'll bring a total balance. Now whatever money you have in your fiat wallet, that is what you're able to withdraw. So in essence, to get money into your fiat wallet, if you're looking to sell crypto, you'd go over to your crypto wallet. You'd see all of the cryptos that you hold. You then want to find the crypto that you want to sell to be able to withdraw that money. So let's say, for example, I had Cosmos. I've got, £161 in Cosmos. I now want to withdraw that £161. What I'd do is I'd select sell. I would then sell all of my Cosmos, and I would select sell it to cash, not crypto. So if I select sell it to cash, it brings up two wallets, the Euro wallet or the GBP wallet. And if you're in America, it will likely say USD wallet. I then select GBP wallet because that's my local currency. I'm in England, the UK. And so I'd select sell. I'd choose the amount that I want to sell. I'd confirm that sale. So once I've sold that crypto, selling it to cash means that it goes straight over, not into my crypto wallet because we now got cash. It goes over to our fiat wallet. So that cash, once you've sold that crypto, will appear right here in the fiat wallet section. Once you're on this section, you have three options: buy crypto, sell crypto, or transfer. Now in this case, we're now dealing with cash, pretty much fiat currency. So you'd select transfer. You then select at the bottom withdraw because we're looking to withdraw, and I'm withdrawing to a UK bank account, so I'd select British pounds. Now it then brings up this process. If you've withdrawn money from Crypto.com before, then your bank account is already linked to your Crypto.com account, and ultimately it's a very simple process. You select withdraw now. However, if you're withdrawing from Crypto.com for the first time, what you need to do is link up your bank account to your Crypto.com account, and that's what this screen is telling us right here. So to activate that link, what it says is deposit funds in Great British Pounds via FPS network to this app for once to register your bank account. So what this basically means is that you need to send money to the Crypto.com bank account to your account to use on the app from your own bank account. So in essence, you can send over a few pounds to your Crypto.com account despite wanting to withdraw right now, which is kind of a funny way of doing it, but it links up your bank account to your Crypto.com account so that when you withdraw money from Crypto.com in the future, Crypto.com know it's the right bank account they're sending the money to and everything like that. So yeah, if I scroll down, it gives you some more information about that, and you can actually check out further what you need to do to be able to link up those bank accounts. But in essence, it's what I've told you. Get the details and deposit funds in GBP via FPS network, exactly like it says. So once you've done that, it will link your bank account to your Crypto.com account, as you can see on screen right now. And then essentially a £1.90 withdrawal fee is covered to process costs. So every time you withdraw nowadays in 2024, they charge £1.90 to make that withdrawal. But you select exactly how much you wanted to withdraw in Great British Pounds. So for me, for example, right now, my maximum withdrawal is £73.77, and I would have a £1.90 fee on that. And then I would select withdraw, and then it would process that withdrawal just as requested, and I could confirm that, and the money would end up in my bank account in a few days' time. So that is the exact process withdrawing on Crypto.com. I hope that helps you out. Any questions, feel free to comment them down below. If you join my channel as a member, you get priority reply. And if you join on tier 2, you get to choose my next tutorial video. So if you need more help, I'd say that maybe that's a good thing to do. But thank you very much for watching. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not associated with Crypto.com. Please always consult your own financial advisor and Crypto.com directly for advice on withdrawing money. You never want to risk losing it, but that's the process that I've gone through to be able to withdraw my money. Not financial advice. Thank you very much. Take care and subscribe.